What if your summer holidays turned into a ghostly adventure? When Flora and Archie arrive at Glas Castle, they expect peace and quiet. But the castle hides secrets. Old secrets. Ghostly secrets.
In the shadow. What really happened in the castle all those years ago?
Of the present.
The Ghost of Glas Castle. A gripping adventure full of twists and things that go bump in the night.